To begin the installation of your JL rocker armor, you'll first need to remove the factory rock rails using a 13mm and a 10mm socket. Next, use painter's tape and tape the vehicle on each side, starting from the middle of the lower door hinge, moving to the bottom of the rocker panel. In this installation, we removed both doors to make it easier to clamp the rocker armor into place. Start with one side of the vehicle by clamping the rocker armor into place. Notice that the rocker armor is not aligned to the vehicle's B-pillar. With the clamps snug, gently move the rocker armor until it is first aligned to the B-pillar. Once it is aligned properly, clamp the rocker armor down fully and check the remaining areas. Next, using a hammer and a countersunk center punch every hole on the rocker armor, moving from the center of the vehicle outwards. Unclamp and remove the rocker armor. Begin drilling the holes starting with a 1/8 drill bit, moving up to a 17/32 drill bit. Remove the tape after all of the holes have been drilled. Install the provided press nuts into the drilled holes. For maintenance, coat each bolt in ATF, penetrating oil, or other lubricants to prevent the bolts from seizing. Loosely install all hardware starting from the center of the vehicle, then move outward. Tighten all hardware using a 3/16 hex bit. First tighten the center section, then move from the center of the vehicle outward. If you have a factory rock rail, reinstall it using the removed hardware with a 10mm and 13mm socket. Lastly, verify all previously installed hardware is tight and torqued to specifications.